Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. This is your bonus love reading for the month of June. Okay, 2021. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign, and I hope it resonates with you. But if it is not resonating with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation. If you have not subscribed yet, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all important messages which are important for you. So now let's start your reading and let's see what are the messages for my Aquarius. Okay, please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Help me out to deliver the important messages for Aquarius, June 2021. What are the messages for Aquarius? Okay. So I got 5 message for you. Wow. Follow your intuitions, Aquarius. Okay, have an attitude of gratitude. Be grateful for all you have. Leadership, set up your goals. Okay, pay gratitude to whatever you are having. Always have an attitude of gratitude. Say thank you, universe. Thank you, divine, for giving these things in my life, for blessing me these things. Okay, set up the goals here for your leadership quality. There is creative wonderment. Follow your passion. Okay, follow your passion. You have beautiful passion inside you, so passion, you have to follow your passion. Okay, there is I'll follow your intuitions. Okay, your intuitions are guiding you properly, so follow your intuitions. And there is new beginnings. Begin your new life. So begin your new lives here, Aquarius. Some of you can having a blocked throat chakra. That can be a possibility. Okay, so you can do your healing on throat chakra. New beginnings are here for you. That's the message I'm getting here, and that's beautiful message. Okay, thank you for giving the messages. Let's see more messages for Aquarius, June 2021. You can have a look on your main reading too. Okay, I have already uploaded that. What are the messages for Aquarius, June 2021? Please give me the messages. What are the messages for Aquarius, June 2021? See, same messages are here. Wow. Follow your intuition, owl. There are spiritual messages and great wisdom to be found during this period of transition, owl. Okay, the same messages here. Follow your intuition, Aquarius. There are spiritual messages which are coming in your way. Okay, which the universe is trying to give you. Okay, the angels are trying to communicate with you. 0333 was the recording reading time. Okay, so that's very important message for you, that follow your intuitions. Okay, there are new happy beginnings in your life. Begin your life. Sun card, new happy beginning. The sun is coming for you. Open your heart to the enormous growth ahead. New beginnings. Beautiful. Okay, there is celebrations. You are ready to bring new and exciting things in your life, so there are celebrations which are coming for you. Okay, there is chariot. Charge ahead with confidence. Stay strong and focus. So move in a forward direction. Take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction with your confidence and strength. Okay, so that are the messages, and these are very beautiful messages. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see more messages from Osho 010 Osho Zen Tarot deck. See, I just told you, take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction. The Fool. Okay, what are the messages for Aquarius, June 2021? Please give me the messages. What are the messages? Take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction, because you are the source. Connect to the source. Okay, There is a new vision which is coming for you. Too many message. Okay, I'm going to take it. Bottom of the deck, I'm having the Tower. Okay, so some big unexpected changes are going to happen. Okay, Aquarius. There is some kind of celebration which is going to happen for you here. Keep your courage. Okay. There is celebration which is coming for you here. Three of Cups energy. Lot of celebrations are coming for you in the month of June. Okay, so enjoy that celebrations. Okay, keep your courage with you here. Again, the courage is here. The Chariot, the courage. Charge ahead with confidence, courage. Stay focused. Okay. So that's the same message again here. Okay. Now, let me adjust. This is a time which has come here to ripe your food, ripeness. That means that whatever good or bad work, the karma you have done, this is the time where you have to reap the rewards. Okay, the rewards are coming for you. Whatever you have done in your life, the karma is going to get back in your life. This is the good karma which is coming for you. Maybe there are some morality issues, okay, with you, between you and your person, and you are thinking and contemplating a lot, and because of that you are feeling, experiencing sad. Don't overthink, Aquarius. Okay, don't overthink. I know, being an air sign, we think a lot, and sometimes we even don't realize that we are trapped in our own mind thoughts. So stop fighting with your own mind thoughts, because this is creating problem in your life. Synchrophasia and experience and totality. So that because of this overthinking, you are experiencing these things. Maybe you're feeling the sadness, the loneliness. Okay, so stop thinking in that way. Whatever is happening in your life right now, Aquarius, that you are just completing a cycle. Okay, your completion is happening here again and again. Okay, you're closing out a cycle. Just take a leap of faith here. You are the source here, just connected with the source, with the divine. There is a new vision which is coming for you. See the picture from a higher perspective. You are the master of your life. Okay, you can create anything. There is harmony and maturity which is coming for you, and after this, whatever cycle you are going through, you will become more mature, okay, than before. Maturity and harmony is coming for you. There is a change which is coming in your life, Aquarius, and this is positive change here. Okay, so change is coming here for you, and that's a beautiful change. So thank you for giving the message. Let's add one message from the Grace cards. What is the message for Aquarius? Trust. Okay, trust that everything is happening according to the divine. Okay, don't get trapped in your own mind thoughts. The more we follow our intuition, the more we will find that the right doors open to assist us in fulfilling our life purpose. So you have to keep the trust your intuition, trust the divine guidance. Okay, that's the message I'm getting here for you. Let's add one message from the fairies. What is the message for Aquarius, June 2021? Please give me the one message. Okay, life energy. Okay, this says, the happy fairy of sunshine brings lots of life-giving energy. She reminds you to shine your light and to reveal anything in the shadows that needs to be healed. Okay, so life energy fairy is here to bring the light in the areas where you require healing. Okay, so that's beautiful message here. Thank you, fairy, for giving the message. Let's add one message from the crystal spirit. I love it. Spirit quartz. That's beautiful crystal. Okay, I don't know that crystal, but it was just flashing out. Okay, give me one message for Aquarius. Mokite Jasper. Okay, Mokite Jasper. Number 36. Let me read it out. This is says risk, adventure, new experience, exploring unknown territories, claiming personal powers. See, take the risk, Aquarius, take the risk. See, that's the energy of fool. Okay, take the risk, be the fool. This is what the crystal spirits wants to say to you, that take the risk, take the leap of faith, take the risk, explore the unknown territory and move in a forward direction. That's what crystal spirits wants to say, and that's beautiful. Thank you, crystal spirits, for giving the beautiful message. Now let's see what is the message from native spirits. Please give me one message for Aquarius. What is the one message for Aquarius? Okay, give me one message for Aquarius. Offerings. 11:11 was the recording reading time. This says, the universe is grateful for you. You are a gift to the world. Feel gratitude for everything you have in your life, even the things that don't seem perfect. Appreciation for everything flows through you in the great bounty. Cherish the preciousness of life and everyone and everything around you, and thus you will be cherished. 1144. So that's very important to pray gratitude, Aquarius. That's the same message. Have an attitude of gratitude. Always feel thank you, okay, to the divine. 1155 for giving the beautiful things in your life. Okay, so that's the message which I'm getting here. Now let's see one message from Everyday Miracles. What is the message for Aquarius? Please give me the message. One message. Okay, I am as God created me. In you is all of heaven. Every leaf that falls is given life in you. Each bird that ever sang will sing again in you. And every flower that ever bloomed has saved its perfume and its loveliness for you. That's beautiful message. Thank you for giving the message. Let's add one message from Healing Mantra deck. What is the message for Aquarius? This deck, I love the colors. It's very soothing colors, okay, and lovely colors. Okay, please give me one message for Aquarius. Rewiring the nervous system. I find strength in surviving my traumas. So that's the healing mantra you can use for yourself. You can rewire your nervous system here. Thank you, Healing Mantra deck, for giving the messages. Let's add one message from the affirmations on love and relationships. So let's see. One message. Please give me one message for the Aquarius. What is the message? Wait and see. Thoughts love to wander in assumption and race ahead to the future. But what if you told them to cool their jets and chill a second? Today you get to put your mental chatter on pause, to take a breath and simply wait and see how things play out before you let your mind run a marathon of imagined scenarios. Wait and you will see the waiting. That waiting and seeing was a lot more productive than wondering and worrying. Insert audible sign of relief here. Bonus card. So this is the same message, that stop overthinking, because you're thinking and contemplating a lot here, Aquarius. Stop fighting with your own mind thoughts here. Wait and see. Don't create scenarios in your mind. Okay, stop fighting with your own demons. Can you see? Stop fighting with your own mind demons. Okay, with your own mind thoughts. You're fighting with your own mind. So wait and see the things, how the things will go around you. Thank you for giving the message. Now let's add one message. Life loves you. Please give me one message for life loves you for Aquarius. Please give me one message for Aquarius. Trust that even in challenging times, the universe only wants what's best for you. Okay, everything is working out for my highest good. Everything is working out for my highest good. Okay, so that's beautiful. Thank you for giving the message. Let's see from what are the message from your native spirits. What are the message? Celebration is coming for you. Confirm. There are celebrations. Okay, there is a victory, celebrations. What are the message? Please give me one more message. Please give me one more message. One more message. Okay. Epiphany. Epiphany, and there is celebration. Okay, number 18. This is a divine guidance. This is Epiphany. This is the divine guidance here. Congratulations, you are finally getting out of your head and connecting more directly with your soul. The flow of communication between you and your higher self is strengthening daily, allowing you to directly access your spirit guides, angels, and spirit teachers more readily. As you contact with your higher self deepens, answers will suddenly pop into your consciousness like gifts from above. Okay, over and over you will find yourself in the right place at the right time. Your higher self, Epiphany is all about your higher self. So you are connecting with your higher self, and keep connecting with your higher self. There are celebrations which are coming for you here, Aquarius. Okay, so this was the message which I'm getting it. Now let's see what is the message from Energy Oracle deck, and then I'm going to close out your bonus love reading. What is the message for Aquarius? The World card is coming again and again. You are closing out a cycle, Aquarius. Okay, please help me out to deliver the message. What is the message here? You are closing out a cycle with your twin flame, with your yin yang, and you're starting a new chapter with them. That's beautiful. What is the message here for Aquarius? Okay. What is walking away? Clarify walking away. Okay, so you should walk away from any anxiety. Okay, Aquarius, if you have to walk away. You are walking away from something. What are you walking away from? Anxiety. Whatever anxiety you are having right now in your life, you have to walk away from that. Okay, have patience. Okay, have patience. Get away, walk away from anxiety and have patience here. Okay, because lot of abundance is coming for you. This is the most fortunate card, cornucopia. Good fortune, best fortune, abundance of everything, okay, is coming for you. So stop worrying a lot here, Aquarius. Okay, so you're completing a cycle with your twin flame, with your yin yang here. Maybe there are some adjacent possibilities which you have to made in your life, but you will make it. Your first chakra, Archangel Michael, your root chakra is getting activated. Now stability and security is coming for you here, Aquarius. Okay, and there is all tied up an attachment and a thinking man. So there is someone here who is still who is thinking about you, and they are attached with you here, and because of that they're feeling restricted. They can't move in a forward direction. Okay, but they're thinking a lot. They are having attachment here. Okay, maybe this is someone who is your karmic relationship. They're obsessed with you here. Okay, but actions are going to be taken in a forward direction. Keep your strength with you here. Okay, any other message? Action will be taken here. Any other message? Keep your strength with you. Okay, hostilities and deceit. See, I told you, There is someone around you who is deceitful, who is not good for you, who is obsessed with you. Here I'm feeling the energy in the cards too. They're not getting, okay, the cards were heavy. They was not getting separate from one another. Okay, so this is a energy who, there is someone around you who is a deceitful energy, okay, who is very jealous for with you, who is thinking about you, who is obsessed with you, who is having an attachment with you, and even you are having an attachment from this person. That can be a possibility. And because of that you are feeling all tied up, or this person is feeling all tied up. So that's what I'm having here for you, Aquarius. I hope I help you out in some manner here. Okay, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and sending you lots of love, healing light to all my Aquarius, whoever is watching this video. Okay, you can let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Take care of yourself and see you soon.